Every year, thousands of people drive off the lot thinking they've made the perfect choice, only to discover they've bought into a nightmare of breakdowns, recalls, and repair bills. 2025 is no different, and some of the newest, most hyped cars are already raising serious red flags. But here's the good news. While some models will drain your wallet and patience, others will give you years of worry-free driving. Today, we're counting down the 4 worst cars to avoid at all costs and the 3 best ones to buy with total confidence. Car buying in 2025 is a high-stakes decision. Prices are at record highs, technology is evolving faster than it's perfected, and reliability gaps between brands are widening. A poor choice today can lock you into years of headaches, from unexpected repair bills to tanked resale value. That's why this list is built on hard, verified data from consumer reports and real-world reliability surveys, not hype. We'll start with 4 models that might look tempting on the lot, but fail where it matters most: reliability, build quality, and long-term ownership costs. Then we'll reveal 3 standouts that combine performance, safety, and peace of mind. Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler is a legend off-road, but as a daily driver, it's riddled with problems. Consumer Reports ranks it near the bottom of its class, citing repeated issues with the drivetrain, suspension, and electronics. Owners often face noisy interiors, a stiff ride, and poor crash test results for a vehicle at this price point. Factor in subpar fuel economy and one of the lowest predicted reliability scores in the SUV category. And it's a specialist's toy, not a smart, everyday buy. Beyond the technical issues, the Wrangler's design compromises make it less livable day to day. The removable roof and doors are fun for weekends, but introduce more wind noise and potential leak points. The short wheelbase also makes highway driving twitchier than competitors. In short, it's unmatched in the mud but outclassed in comfort and dependability. Kia EV6. Kia's EV6 drew early praise for styling and driving dynamics, but the honeymoon didn't last. Reports are stacking up of charging malfunctions, infotainment freezes, and battery-related recalls. Consumer Reports now gives it below average predicted reliability, a major red flag for a vehicle costing this much. While range and performance are competitive, long-term peace of mind just isn't here yet, especially when rival EVs offer more consistent build quality. The EV6's futuristic interior design also comes with usability trade-offs. Touch-sensitive controls can be frustrating in motion, and some owners have reported premature wear on interior trim. Add in the fact that public charging infrastructure is still uneven, and an unreliable charging system only makes road trips more stressful. For early adopters, it's a gamble. For mainstream buyers, it's a risk not worth taking. Land Rover Defender. Few SUVs turn heads like the Defender. Unfortunately, few also spend as much time back at the dealership. Electrical glitches, infotainment failures, and suspension problems plague owners, often within the first 12 months. CR's reliability rating sits at a dismal 21 out of 100, one of the worst scores for any 2025 vehicle. And with premium brand repair costs, every fault hits hard. Even when it's working perfectly, the Defender's fuel economy is mediocre, and its complex electronics mean more potential points of failure. The very tech that makes it luxurious, adaptive suspension, advanced off-road systems, large touchscreens, also makes it more vulnerable to expensive breakdowns. It's undeniably capable in extreme conditions, but for everyday use, the risks outweigh the rewards. Porsche Taycan. On paper, the Taycan is a near-perfect EV sports sedan. In reality, it's plagued by reliability woes and multiple recalls, including serious battery issues with fire risk. Consumer Reports ranks it far below average for predicted reliability. Problems range from charging system failures to electronic control glitches, not what you want from a 6-figure investment. Add to that the high cost of maintenance and repairs, even for routine service, and ownership becomes an expensive proposition. The Taycan's range is also modest compared to newer competitors, making it less practical for long trips. For a brand built on engineering excellence, these missteps are costly, and they make the Taycan a prime example of why bleeding-edge tech needs time to mature before it's truly dependable. After that lineup of headaches, let's talk about the cars that deliver the opposite experience, the ones you can buy in 2025 with full confidence. Nissan Sentra. Affordable doesn't have to mean basic. The 2025 Sentra delivers a quiet, comfortable ride, an upscale-feeling cabin, and one of the best predicted reliability ratings in its class. Standard safety features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning add real-world value, while fuel economy makes it a commuter's dream. Inside, the Sentra's materials and design feel a class above most rivals at this price point. The ride absorbs bumps well, making it comfortable for long drives, and visibility is excellent thanks to a thoughtfully designed greenhouse. It may not be flashy, but the Sentra proves that well-executed fundamentals never go out of style. Subaru Forester. Completely redesigned for 2025, the Forester keeps its signature all-wheel drive while improving interior space, fuel efficiency, and ride comfort. Its visibility and ease of entry make it perfect for families and older drivers alike. With top safety scores, above-average reliability, and a reputation for handling rough weather with ease, it's one of the most confidence-inspiring SUVs you can buy. The new Forester also benefits from a more refined cabin with better noise insulation, plus an intuitive infotainment system that's easy to use without taking your eyes off the road. Cargo space is generous, and the wide-opening rear doors make loading bulky items a breeze. In an era of overcomplicated SUVs, the Forester's focus on practicality and dependability makes it a standout. Toyota Camry Hybrid. The Camry Hybrid combines Toyota's bulletproof reliability with hybrid efficiency, delivering over 50 mpg in real-world driving. Consumer Reports scores it near the top for owner satisfaction, and its resale value is exceptional. Quiet, comfortable, and built to last, it's the kind of car you could keep for a decade without thinking twice. The hybrid system is seamless, providing smooth acceleration and whisper-quiet operation in city driving. The cabin offers generous space for passengers, supportive seating for long trips, and a wealth of standard safety tech. For buyers who want low running costs, high comfort, and unmatched dependability, the Camry Hybrid is as close to a buy-with-your-eyes-closed car as it gets. The gap between the worst and best cars of 2025 is wider than ever. Choose wrong, and you might find yourself locked into years of costly repairs, downtime, and frustration. The Jeep Wrangler, Kia EV6, Land Rover Defender, and Porsche Taycan prove that price and image don't guarantee quality. But choose right. With vehicles like the Nissan Sentra, Subaru Forester, or Toyota Camry Hybrid, and you get more than just transportation. You get reliability, safety, and the peace of mind that every drive will be drama-free. The data doesn't lie. In 2025, the smartest car buyers aren't swayed by marketing flash or showroom pressure, they're guided by proven track records. So ask yourself, would you rather gamble on a risky pick or invest in something built to last? If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is worth sharing with other smart car shoppers. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 2025 picks would you trust in your driveway, and which one would you avoid like the plague? And if you want more data-backed lists like this, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because in the next video, we're diving into the 7 most underrated luxury SUVs of 2025 you probably haven't even considered yet. Drive smart, and I'll see you in the next one.